Hi guys, welcome to Save Didi's channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vivan. Say hi.
Hi,
How are you?
fine.
Acha, do you want to say something?
Yes,
Yes. What yes? Say then.
I am 6 years old.
Oh yeah. And it has been a long time since I had posted any video, uploaded any video. So today's video is all about how can we apply Kajal in different ways. And I hope you guys like the video. I would want more suggestions for my next upcoming videos because it is really difficult for me to think about ideas and shoot any video and okay, मैं बोल दूंगी वो. He's just constantly saying subscribe.
This is your first video?
No, fourth. Yeah, so let's get started.